Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We're continuing with our subject topic for this month, and I am not going to take up any of Victoria's time on this Monday compass. Victoria?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We've got a whole new week starting. We're ready to rock out our characters. So, if you recall and you've been following us, you know that we've talked about the protagonist, which is your main character, your story driver. We've talked about the villain, who provides a counterpoint to that protagonist. And if you're writing strong, they are related to each other in terms of their strengths and weaknesses. But now we want to talk about something else, because often when people hear the word antagonist, they think, oh, that's the villain. In fact, it's not. So when we get to the map tomorrow, I'm going to walk you through some functions of the antagonist and how you can use them not only to enhance your protagonist performance, but also as a counterpoint to your villain. Because spoiler, they're not the same thing. So come back tomorrow and we'll go through and unpack that so you can start using those things in your story. With that, I'll throw it back to Kathleen.
Okay, thank you, Victoria. I can't wait. Well, this week we're going to continue with our study of the character trait of honesty. Now, honesty isn't what you think it is either. If you're thinking about honesty as being always telling the truth to other people, nah, that's sincerity. Honesty is used that way colloquially in our language, but when you're using it technically for character traits, honesty is in the balance group, and that means it's taking place in your character's head. Well, I'm not going to do any more spoilers. The rest of it, you'll have to come back tomorrow for our Tuesday map. See you then. Bye-bye.